that Synchrotron is basically a particle accelerator. Ours specifically focuses on electrons. So it accelerates electrons. Right here, the purple color is an electron gun. What happens is that it generates electrons and they basically follow this path, passing through the magnets and the insulator.
This is magnet?
Yes, these are the magnets. It basically helps keep the electrons on the way, and the electrons basically pass by it. And this is the indulator that...
The indulator, it helps the electrons to stay in path and to keep them and to push them.
Yes. So then what happens when they're moving, these electrons, they move at a very high speed, at the speed of light, basically. That's how it's presented. And they produce a light. So we put these wires to present the light that is produced. Now, this light that has been produced basically creates radiation.
And the brightness can be as bright as the sun. It's really bright.
It's very bright. Now, the radiation is used in different fields, many different fields, such as medical fields, in pharmaceutical fields, in geology, and different types of fields, basically. Right? Now, the radiation, although it is useful, however, it
can limit the radiation from this? Or no radiation?
It produces radiation. The light produces radiation. So although it has a lot of benefits, it also has a lot of negative effects, issues on the human body.
Because the radiation is too strong, it's too harmful for the humans to be close to the radiation, as it can cause like skin cancer, or it can interfere with the DNA and cause mutations. It can cause even iron problems. So that's why we thought of a solution.
So actually, previously they did create new solutions. They created a suit right here. This is the suit that they created. The suit they basically use.
It's Demron. It's basically radiation shielding material.
Yeah.
It's lead-free and it's light-weighted and non-toxic.
Exactly. Now, what we thought about is we thought about another solution, which is the use of AI system. So instead of humans actually interfering with the side of the synchrotron, the AI system can interfere. So,
Like there's a barrier between the humans where they work in hutches, a barrier between the radiation and the humans.
So the best way I can describe how the synchrotron is represented is by saying it's like a factory, basically.
Yes.
And
In factory?
it's just like this is how I can describe it. It's like a factory. And there's basically a barrier, as my friend said. Yeah, something like this. And there's like a barrier, as my friend said. If you cross the barrier as a human being, the radiation is too strong for your body to handle.
Yes.
So it affects you in a very negative way. It's really harmful. That is why what they did, they created these hatches. So what they do in the hatches is that they deal with computers. Can you bring them? So this is how it is inside the hatch. Right here is the computer, and this is screen right here. It basically is responsible for knowing whether the electrons are on the right path or not, and whether they are like working or not. Exactly. So what happens a few seconds before? What happens is that it starts hissing noise, and then these lights appear. So these lights give the scientists a clue if it's correct, if it's right or wrong.
And over here it starts to show like
It's kind of like a graph showing
it shows how high or how low the radiation speed energy is, how the pressure is.
Can result, yeah? By the graph. The graph show?
Yes,
Okay.
it's like a graph shown like this, just like the heartbeat of the human. It's like that.
graph. Now, the AI system that we thought about creating, they can create another hatch right here.
Yes, just like this.
Exactly, just like that. For the people to control the AI system working in the synchrotron. For example, if there's any problem created, the AI are much faster, that's number one. They're already presented, so you don't have to take time to go and come back. And at the same time, they're not human, so it won't be affecting humans in a negative way.
It can keep the humans safe. While they're in the hutch, the AI, the robots can be doing the job.
Exactly. Now the human instead, they can be in the second hutch, basically working with AI and controlling the AI. what they do and what they don't do. They can also store information in the AI. We know that the technology is very high nowadays. By storing the information, in case the human is not able to control the AI, they can use the information stored to do their work. So in that way, humans are safe, and also it works in a much faster rate, and also it's AI. Using technology.
Yes. Thank you. It's very nice project.